Hey, you want to know how to get your sexy hot wife on stream with you? Well, I'm gonna share some secrets with you today that it's gonna convince her to do it with you. I'm Max.
And I'm Mel, and we are XStarWake.
Streaming, it's an awesome activity if you want to do it together from the comfort of your home.
We know how hard it is to find activities to do as a couple.
Super hard.
Especially when you're parents. We have 3 boys, and before streaming, our typical evening consisted of putting the kids to bed, playing video games, and watching our phones, watching Netflix. Don't get us wrong, we still enjoy doing this on a Sunday night.
It's a must. Streaming together made us break out our normal routine and brought us so much closer to each other.
We share a passion, we work towards the same goals, we get super excited about building something together, and when we hit milestone, we get to celebrate real hard.
You get to meet tons of new people. The diversity on Twitch is what makes it so great. Seriously, you meet tons of new people all around the world with different interests and background.
This is great, especially for someone like me who's a stay-at-home mom. I don't talk with a lot of adults during the day, so it feels really great to socialize.
You build real friendship. Seriously. Guys, listen.
Making friends in real life is super hard, and keeping those existing friendships is even harder because everybody's busy with work and kids and family.
But with streaming, you make real friends and you become so important in their lives, right? You make connection with them every single day.
You get to be involved in the gaming passion of your loved one without having to actually play video games.
Some people think that all a streamer does is to play video games. But it's not true. And being a couple in front of the camera to separate tasks is amazing.
While one plays the video game, the other can manage the chat, play some music, manage the streaming PC, Discord. There's a lot to do, and it's really great that we get to share this together. Plus, when something's not done or is not done right, you can always blame the other one for not doing it.
Only one job to do. You fuckle. Help keep chatters active. Me and Mel strongly believe that having an active chat and being super responsive to chat is really important. You know why? Because you're in a game, you're super focused into it, you know, and then your chat go cray cray, right? And you have like millions of chat lines and you didn't answer any single one of those.
So that's one of the advantages to be a couple, is that one can be really focused into the game, the other one can read the chat, respond, keep the viewers engaged.
He has no more hatches, by the way, just saying.
You're going to bed, Grizzly Girl. Thank you for hanging out with us. We love you. Congrats again on your affiliate. Super proud of you, and you'll have great success, I am sure. And to be honest, it really gives a great experience to the viewers.
Oh, of course it is. Seriously, one of the biggest point for a couple streamers.
Another advantage is you get to improve on skills. So take us for example, we're French Canadians, and when we started streaming on Twitch, we quickly got an English audience. So it made us practice our English a ton.
We're still not flawless, guys. We make mistakes, okay? It's what's so great. We have expression that we do not understand, but we've improved a ton.
So the skills you can improve is really different from one person to the other. But let's say you're shy, you'll get more comfortable in front of the camera and gain confidence. So that can be really helpful for you in your real life.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you get some good ideas on how to get your hot wife streaming with you.
And if you have any questions or comments, you can always write them down below. And please follow us on our different platforms. You'll see all the links in the description. So, see you soon.
Thank you.
Bye bye.